Hi guys, Kinga here. In my last video, I was talking to you about setting up the preference pages, and as some examples I gave that it's nice to add, field for entering their birthday. So today I want to kind of follow up on that video and continue with that birthday theme and show you how we using the birthday information and how is it actually working for us. So here I have an example of an email campaign that we usually send to target everyone on the list to get the information to ask them to come to the preference page and enter their birthday. So this is the email campaign that goes out, and here on this screen, when they click the button, it comes here where they can enter their birthday. Also, as I mentioned in my previous video, we've added some more information here to have a better segmentation. So we basically asking them a little bit more, a few more questions to be able to narrow down how we sending the emails. So once they go through this process, then I want to show you how well this email usually performs. So here, as you can see, the open rate is quite high, but the click-through rate is even, it's really quite good. And then obviously we're getting quite good sales here as well. So in general, that type of email performs really well, and it's good to send out. I say, put it on a marketing calendar for at least once a month, and then exclude everyone who is signed up. To exclude them, you create a segment where the birthday property is set. And this is going to give you the total amount of everyone who entered their birthday. And then once you collecting this information, then you're ready to start sending the birthday email, birthday flow. We usually go by the template that it's done, that it's prepared by Klaviyo. We just customize it. Now, additionally, what's good, after this email goes out as a campaign, it is also really good to add this email to your flow. I would say to post-purchase flow. So once somebody makes a purchase, then maybe 2-3 emails down, you can ask them to make sure that they have their birthday entered, and you can create a conditional split where you can bypass all of those that are already in a system and just send the email to those who are not, who hasn't shared their email, their birthday yet. I hope that's helpful. As I mentioned before, this channel, I wanted to be more about that sort of information. There's enough tutorials out there. Klaviyo also puts out so much resources that I don't want to repeat what they are providing. I want to kind of focus more on what we do and how we're trying to customize it and add our own little twist to it, and hopefully provide more granular data that it's easier to implement versus going through this whole sort of like a learning process. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, share with other friends. If you would like to learn more, join our Facebook group, and also let me know what else would you like to learn about so I can prepare more videos. Thanks.